Hello Vivekians, welcome to the ninth day of school from home. Hope you are doing well and staying safe at home. I am Rajneesh ma'am, teacher of grade 2. I am here to teach you maths. This is your maths course book, volume 1. This is chapter 1, addition. As you all know, we have already done some exercises of this chapter through worksheets. Hope you all have done all these worksheets. Today I am going to start with new topic. The new topic is adding tens and ones with regrouping. This is page number 12. Put today's date here. Before starting this topic, I would like to share one story with you. These are little mice. They are best friends. Little mouse carries ones and second mouse carries tens. One day, teacher gives them to solve one question. So, this is the sum. Adding two-digit numbers 25, 36. First, we will write ones here and then tens. So, what little mouse does? How he will solve this sum? First, little mouse add 5 and 6. After adding, the answer is 11. So, can we write 11 number here? Can we write 11 number at ones place? No. So, what little mouse does? He gives one number to his friend tens. See, one number here and one at tens place means this is carry. So, now what second mouse does? He adds the number at tens place. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 6. So, total answer is 61. I am showing you very interesting video related to this concept. Hope you will understand better.
Hello children, today we are going to take some more examples of two-digit addition. We have a different example. Here we have a bundle plus 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, a total of 15 sticks. And let's see if we get how many more sticks? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 sticks. Now let's do this addition. So first we are going to count the loose sticks, which are the sticks at the ones position here. So these are 5 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have a total of 12 sticks. Now we have on this side 12 sticks. 12 loose sticks. So what we do is, how are we going to write 12 sticks here in a single place? So what we do is, of the 12 combined loose sticks, we are going to generate one more bundle. So we are going to take 10 more sticks, like here. I have drawn this dotted box. And this 10 sticks of the combined sticks, I am going to make it as a bundle. Which is fine, right? 10 loose sticks is equal to one bundle of 10 sticks. And I'm going to move this bundle here. Because I have removed it, right, from here. So it becomes this. So it's just very same thing, right? And then, same thing I do here also. 5 plus 7, I know the answer is 12. And of that 12, 1 is at the tens place, which is 10 sticks. I'm going to move it to the tens place, like this, right? So because we have only one place to write here, we calculated 5 plus 7 is 12, and of that 1 we moved it on the tens place. And then we continue doing now the counting of the tens place. So now we had initially one bundle of 10 sticks here, second bundle of 10 sticks, and one more bundle we got because of the addition here, so that becomes third bundle. So how many bundles we have? 1, 2, 3. So we write down 3 bundles. And the same thing we do here, we come back to the tens position and we add 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. So the final thing is 3. That is 3 tens or 3 bundles. So the total is 32 or 3 bundles of 10 and 2.
Through this video, it must be clear to you two-digit addition with regrouping. Page number 13. This is the example of two-digit addition. This is page number 14. Let's try 5. These are the sums. You can solve these sums in the book. If you don't have book, then you can solve these sums in any notebook. Bye Vivekians, we will meet you soon.